Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So today we are unboxing something special, interesting, exciting, the OnePlus 13s. So this is an official media unit which was sent by OnePlus, and we'll talk about what all things you get to see in the retail box, and we'll give you a bit more information about OnePlus 13s in this video. By the way, if you guys are new to this channel and if you find our content useful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. As it's a media kit, I did like the packaging. This is how it opens. I'm just showing you guys because it looks cool. So this is how it looks once you open it. Below that there's a letter. I'll put up on the screen, you guys can read it. After that we have the official box of OnePlus 13s. And soon you open the box, you get to see another mini box which we generally see with almost every brand, which includes things like quick guide and a case. And the case color also means the device color, which is pink satin. After that we have the device itself, and as I told you, we have the same color which is pink satin. It looks really premium. Beneath that we have the 80-watt SuperVOOC charger, also a Type A to Type C charging cable, and at last you get a SIM rejector tool. So these are the box content you will get it inside the retail unit of OnePlus 13s. So this is the OnePlus 13s, the first compact device from OnePlus, and it's very comfortable to hold in your hands. Towards the right hand side, if you see, we have volume rockers and the power button, and the volume buttons are not popping out much, they are flatter and they are also tactile. Towards the left hand side, we all know the alert slider have been removed, and now we have the plus key. Towards the top side, there is an IR blaster and a secondary noise cancellation mic. Bottom side, you get to see speaker grill, charging port and a mic. Also towards the back side, it's kind of matte finishing, but a premium one. You can hear the sound as well. So if you guys are not aware, OnePlus 13s will be coming somewhere around 55,000. We have already tweeted about it. And as far as I know, that will be without bank offers. With bank discounts, you can get the device below 55k. And now this plus key isn't just an hardware switch. It's linked to OnePlus brand new AI system. Now you can use it to trigger the smart features like real-time call translation right from the OnePlus stock dialer. You can also access the smart clipboard called Plus Mind that reminds you to see and save it. And even the AI stuff that finds stuff just by asking it. There are many things which you can do with this single key. This device is launching on 5th June. Another 3 days from now, we'll do a dedicated video in which we'll talk everything about this device. I've already shared the camera samples on Twitter. You guys can check it out. I'll provide that link in the description below. And about the AI features also, I've explained most of the AI features in a dedicated video. That video can also be found in the description below. And guys, as we have the unit, let me know on 5th I'll be releasing a dedicated video about OnePlus 13s. So let me know in the comment section what all testing you guys want me to do. I'll include that in the video which will be releasing on 5th June after the launch of OnePlus 13s. So guys, this was a quick unboxing of OnePlus 13s. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.